Hey everyone, so your Facebook account got restricted. Let me show you how to try and get those restrictions removed. First thing, check your notifications. Facebook usually sends you a notification explaining why your account was restricted. Look for that to understand what happened. If you didn't get a notification, here's how to check. First, go to your profile. Tap your profile icon, then tap the three dots to open your profile settings. Look for Profile Status and tap on that. This shows you any violations, whether it's community guidelines or something else. All right, now let's fix this. Go back to the main menu, scroll down and tap Help and Support, then tap Report a Problem. When it tells you to shake your phone where you saw the issue, just follow those instructions. Write a clear message explaining that your account is restricted and you'd like help removing the restrictions. Here's the thing though, sometimes these restrictions are temporary and they'll lift automatically after a certain period, so be patient. If you've addressed whatever caused the restriction, just wait it out and your account should be restored. And that's it. Follow these steps and hopefully your Facebook restrictions will be lifted soon.